Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation today. It's great to see you all. We would like to begin by introduction ourselves. My name is Faris Gabriano and my friend Rahmita Jahro. Okay, in this presentation we will discuss instruction set, understand and apply instruction sets in computers. Definition of instruction set: a collection of command or operation codes that can be understood and executed by a CPU or processor in running a program. This instruction set determines how the processor interacts with memory and other hardware, and defines the various basic operations that a computer system can perform, such as data processing, calculation, program flow control, and interaction with input-output device. Set instruction is also often called machine language because basically binary instruction or 1 or 0. Sets are only the understood in assembly language. Instruction set structure. First, operations instruction, arithmetic operation, and logical operation. Second, data transfer storage, access data from memory or register. Third, data movement, input output. And the last presentation, example of instruction set.
Zahra. Operational instruction. Operational instruction arithmetic. Arithmetic is a branch of math that focuses on basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetic is asked to solve problems related to number and calculation. Example, addition. Addition is the process of adding two or number to get the total result. This operational is the basic of arithmetic and is often used in everyday life, such as counting money or the number of items. 2. Subtraction. Subtraction is the process of subtraction one number from another. This operation is used to find out the difference between two numbers. 3. Multiplication. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the number. This operation is used to calculate the product of two or more numbers. 4. Division. Division is an operation to divide one number by another. The result shows how much one number can fit into another. For example, 20 plus 20 equals 40. 20 to 10 equals 10. 2x 10 equals 20. 20 slash 2 equals 10. And then 4 plus 2 slash 2x 1 equals 5. And 4 plus 2 slash 2x 1 equals 3. Operational instruction logic. Binary number input processing with Boolean. Math theory. As we know, binary number themselves consist of the number 1 and 0. This logic gate is represented using a true table. If it has a true value, it will be indicated by the number 1. Confident, conversely, if it has a false value, it will be indicated by the number 0. Example, and not or and then sir. Next, input and get. If the or any of the input one binary 0, meanwhile if all input are number 1, then the output will be 1. Next, input or get. Input or get. This or get will produce an output of 1 if all are 1. The input is a binary number 1, while the output will produce 0 if all input are binary number 0. And then input not get. This not get function as a state reversal. If the input is 1, then the output will be 0 and vice versa. And input or get. This or get requires two input to produce one output of if the input are different. For example, input A equals 1, input B equals 0, then the resulting output is a binary number 1. Meanwhile, if the input are the same, then it will produce an output with a binary number 0.
Data transfer instruction. Accessing data from memory or register. Data transfer instruction move data between various locations in the system, such as memory, register, and input or output device. Registers are very fast data storage placed inside the bit processor. Registers are used for the direct operation within the processing unit. The main memory, RAM, is a temporary data storage area for the currently running program. Memory register. Spec location register inside the CPU. Memory offset the CPU. Aspect 2, access speed. Register very fast. Memory slowly the register. Aspect 3, capacity. Register very small. Memory large. Aspect function. Register calculation operation. Memory temporary data storage. Okay, the last presentation is example set instruction. Set instruction 1, 2, and 3 address. The number of register or address used in the CPU operation depend on the format of each CPU. There are formats that use 3 to 1 register. set instruction 3 address. The instruction set provide consists of three types of format: three address, two address, one address. The instructions are rewritten as assembly code to implement a more complex arithmetic expression such as a plus b asterisk c d min a asterisk f. Each instruction format perform operation and storage stores result differently, but the basic principle is the same, performing the calculation according to mathematical expression order. Explanation of the instruction set: three address code. This instruction this instruction format uses the three address, two for the source data and one to storing the result. Here's the explanation of the instruction based on the expression. MP X B C X B asterisk C multiple B and C and stores the result in X. Add add A to X, which is the result of B asterisk C. So now X sama dengan A plus B asterisk C. Store X. Store the result X, which is A plus B asterisk C in memory. MPY multiple E and F and stores the result in Y. Subtract Y, which is the result of E asterisk F from D and stores the result back in Y. Store Y. Store the result Y, which is the D min A asterisk F in memory. Load the values of result from A plus B asterisk C and Y result from the min A asterisk F, the into register for division. Divides X, which is A plus B asterisk C, by Y, which is D min A asterisk F, and stores the result back in X. To address codes. This instruction format used two address, one for the source data and one for the result. The first and second operation usually override the value in the same address. First, move first move the value of B into register X. Multiple the value in register X, which is B, by C, and store the result back in X. Add A to X, which is B asterisk C. So now X A plus B asterisk C. Asterisk C. Store X. Store the result X, which is A plus B asterisk C in memory. Move the value of A into register Y. MPY Y multiple the value in register Y, which is A, by F, and store the result back in Y. Subtract Y, which is the result of A asterisk F from D, and stores the result back in Y. Store Y. Store the result Y, which is They mean A asterisk F in memory. Load X loads the value of X and Y into register, divides X by Y and stores the result back in X. One address code. This instruction format uses only one address for the source and destination, performing operations step by step. Loads the value of A a into the accumulator, multiply the accumulator by F and stores the result back in the accumulator. Stores the result of the multiplication in X. Put the value of D into the accumulator. Subtract X from the accumulator and stores the result back in accumulator. Stores the result of the subtraction in X. Put the value of B into the accumulator. Multiply the accumulator by C and stores the result back in the accumulator. Store the result of the multiplication in X. Loads the value of A into the accumulator. Add the value of X, which is B asterisk C, to the accumulator and stores the result back in the accumulator. Divides the accumulator by X and stores the result back in the accumulator. Stores the final result of the division in X. Summary. Three address codes. Each operation uses three operations, two for source and one for destination. Two address code. The operation modifies one address which is used both the source and destination, often overwriting the value. One address code. All operation used to use one address with accumulator which hold intermediate result. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.